Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use the seat memory on your BMW e46. Okay guys, so first of all, you have three different settings here, 1, 2, 3, and this is your memory button. Okay guys, so basically what you do is set the position of your seat first. So maybe you want to do it back, maybe you want to do it a little bit forward, maybe you want to move this a bit, you move this back a bit, you know, up, down, whatever. Okay, once you are done setting this, press this button here. Okay, press that and then you will select 1, 2 or 3. Okay, so you want to press this like that and then press that, and then that will activate the memory for this. So when I press this, it's not going to move. I press this is another setting, right? That's another setting. If I press this back, it will now go to my original setting, which I just set it at. Okay, and now that is in memory, and you can do this for 3 different people who drive the car. Okay, hope that helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Right, peace out.